Welcome back to NextGen Motorhomes. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most exciting releases in the Class 8 gas motorhome segment, the new 2026 Winnebago Adventurer 36Z. If you're in a market for a luxurious, family-friendly RV that combines upscale features with practical design, this could be your next adventure companion. Winnebago has a long history of building reliable motorhomes, and the Adventurer series has always stood out for blending comfort, style, and performance. The 36Z floor plan takes that to the next level with its spacious layout, advanced tech, and thoughtful amenities. Let's start by taking a close look at the exterior, then move inside, talk performance, and wrap up with pricing details. Buckle up. This is going to be a thorough ride. First off, the exterior of the 2026 Winnebago Adventurer 36Z screams premium from every angle. Measuring in at 37 feet 3 inches long, 12 feet 4 inches tall, and 8 feet 5.5 inches wide, this beast has a commanding presence on the road or at the campsite. It's built on a robust Ford F53 chassis, which provides a solid foundation for everything above it. The exterior skin is high-gloss gel coat fiberglass, giving it that shiny, durable finish that resists fading and weathering over time. Winnebago's full-body paint options come with a protective front mask to shield against road debris, and you can choose from several color schemes like the elegant organic comfort dark or bohemian oasis themes to match your style. One of the standout features is the one-piece fiberglass front cap, which not only looks sleek but also improves aerodynamics slightly for better fuel efficiency on long hauls. Storage is abundant here. 141 cubic feet of exterior storage across lighted compartments with aluminum panel side hinge doors. That's plenty of room for all your gear, from camping chairs to bikes. The Key One lock system means one key for all entry doors and compartments, which is a huge convenience. There's a 19-foot powered patio awning with LED lighting, perfect for shading your outdoor setup, and it retracts automatically if the wind picks up. Slide-out cover awnings protect those mechanisms from dirt and debris. Other exterior highlights include LED lamps throughout for energy-efficient lighting, a roof ladder for easy access to the top, automatic entrance door steps that deploy smoothly, and an LED porch light with a motion sensor option. The chrome rearview mirrors are power-adjustable with defrost, ensuring clear visibility in any weather. Front mud flaps keep the undercarriage clean, and there's a Pet Pal leash tie-down for your furry friends. For towing, it comes with a 5,000-pound drawbar hitch and 500-pound vertical tongue weight capacity, plus a 7-pin trailer wiring connector. The stylized 22.5-inch aluminum wheels add a touch of class, and rear valve stem extensions make tire maintenance easier. If you're into upgrades, options like the Sumo Spring suspension package or a steering stabilizer system can enhance handling even further. Overall, the exterior is designed for durability and ease, making setup and teardown a breeze whether you're boondocking or at a full hookup site. Now, let's step inside and explore the interior, where the Adventurer 36Z really shines as a home on wheels. With an interior height of 7 feet 1 inch and width of 8 feet 0.5 inches, it feels incredibly spacious, especially with 3 slide-outs that expand the living, dining, and bedroom areas. This model sleeps up to 6 comfortably, but with options like the studio loft bed, you can bump that to 7, ideal for families or groups. The layout is thoughtful. Entering from the side, you're greeted by a guest half-bath mid-coach, which is a game-changer for privacy and convenience. The living area is cozy yet expansive, featuring a true Comfort Plus sofa that converts for extra sleeping, an electric fireplace that adds ambience and warmth on chilly nights. LED ceiling lights and accent lighting create a modern vibe, while solar/blackout shades and frameless dual-pane tinted windows keep things bright or private as needed. The residential vinyl flooring runs throughout, easy to clean and stylish. Entertainment is top-notch with a 50-inch HD TV, an omnidirectional TV antenna, and satellite system readiness. USB ports are scattered around, including in the dining area, and the Winnebago Control system lets you manage everything from lights to tanks via a 7-inch touchscreen or a mobile app. Super handy for tech-savvy RVers. Moving to the galley, it's like a mini gourmet kitchen. You've got a double stainless steel sink with bamboo covers for extra counter space, a microwave/convection oven with touch controls, and a gas/induction range top combo for versatile cooking. The Korean galley countertop is durable and elegant, with ceramic tile backsplash and LED backlighting for that upscale feel. Storage includes a pantry with baskets, and a large stainless steel residential refrigerator comes with an ice maker and water dispenser. Plenty of room for a week's worth of groceries. The dinette has high-low storage underneath, perfect for stowing games or linens. The bedroom is a true retreat, with a walk-around king-size bed on a foam mattress, upgradable to Wind Sleep Memory Foam, complete with storage below. There's a headboard, wardrobe, chest of drawers, and a 32-inch HD TV for late-night viewing. The master bath features a flexible shower head in a textured glass enclosure, a skylight for natural light, porcelain toilet with foot pedal, powered ventilator fan, Korean lavatory countertop, porcelain sink, medicine cabinet, and linen storage. Towel bars, tissue holder, and robe hooks round out. Washer/dryer prep is standard, with an optional combo unit available. Additional interior perks include soft vinyl ceiling, powered blackout roller shades in the cab, and a convenience tray in the dash. The cab itself is driver-focused with Versa seats that swivel, adjust, and have lumbar support. Optional power, heat, and massage features make long drives luxurious. A Sony 9-inch touchscreen radio handles Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, and a rear-view/side view monitor. Safety features like LP/smoke/CO detectors, fire extinguisher, and child seat tethers are all there. Plumbing includes a 93-gallon freshwater tank, 10-gallon water heater, 43 and 32-gallon black tanks, 44 and 39-gallon gray tanks, and an 80-gallon fuel tank. The heated holding tank compartment prevents freezing, and there's a water filtration system. Electrical setup has a 55-amp converter, 50-amp power cord, 5,500-watt generator with auto start, 2,000-watt inverter, and solar prep. Heating and cooling come via dual AC units, 15,000 BTU front with heat pump, 13,500 BTU rear, and a 40,000 BTU furnace. Everything feels high-end, from the Ottomans for extra seating to the optional theater seats with recline, heat, and USB ports. Shifting gears to performance, the 2026 Winnebago Adventurer 36Z is powered by a 7.3 LV8 engine, delivering 335 horsepower and plenty of torque for confident highway merging and hill climbing. Paired with a torque shift 6-speed automatic transmission featuring tow/haul mode, it handles towing up to that 5,000-pound hitch rating without breaking a sweat. The Ford F53 chassis includes Hydromax power brakes with 4-wheel ABS for reliable stopping power, and a 210-amp alternator keeps the batteries charged. Fuel efficiency is respectable for a Class A. Expect around 6 to 8 miles per gallon, depending on load and terrain, with that 80-gallon tank giving you solid range between fills. Handling is enhanced by the Driver Confidence Package, which bundles 9 advanced tech features like electronic stability control, traction control, intelligent adaptive cruise control, pre-collision assist with active braking, auto high beams, hill start assist, distance alert, lane keeping system, and a transmission range indicator. This makes driving feel safer and less fatiguing, especially on long trips. Automatic hydraulic leveling jacks stabilize the rig at camp with a push of a button, and the optional sumo springs and steering stabilizer smooth out bumps and reduce sway. With a GVWR of 24,000 pounds, GCWR of 30,000 pounds, front GAWR of 9,000 pounds, and rear of 15,000 pounds on a 242-inch wheelbase, it's balanced for stability. The suspension is tuned for comfort, not sportiness, but it cruises smoothly at highway speeds. Overall, performance is about reliable, effortless travel rather than raw speed. Perfect for cross-country adventures where you want to arrive relaxed. Finally, let's talk price because value is key in the RV world. The manufacturer's suggested retail price for the 2026 Winnebago Adventurer 36Z starts around $279,000 to $299,000, depending on the exact configuration and options. But street prices at dealers are often lower. I've seen listings as low as $169,995 for base models, up to $218,995 for fully loaded ones. Factors like full-body paint color, optional washer/dryer, solar panels, or upgraded seating can add $10,000 to $20,000. Winnebago's warranty is solid. 12 months/15,000 miles basic, 36 months/36,000 miles on structure, and 10 years on the roof skin. Financing is widely available, with terms up to 20 years, making monthly payments manageable around $1,500 to $2,000 depending on down payment and credit. Compared to competitors like the Fleetwood Bounder or Thor Palazzo, the Adventurer offers better build quality and features for the money, especially with Winnebago's reputation for longevity. If you're budgeting, factor in insurance, maintenance, and fuel, but this rig's efficiency and durability keep ongoing costs reasonable.